Want to attract more shoppers with video ads on Amazon? I'm about to share 10 simple yet powerful tips that will get your sponsored brand ads more clicks and boost sales. Every platform needs a specific content for that platform. Something that will work for Amazon.com is not necessarily going to be working for TikTok. Oh, somebody got arrested. Some would argue that most successful Amazon sellers reside in New York. Consequently, many of our clients happen to be from there as well. This is wild! So for this episode, we traveled to New York to get an opinion on successful video ads from our clients and partners, and had an exclusive tour of brand new Amazon headquarters.
I get to have a direct impact on the people that I'm working with every day by helping give them advice on different ways to, again, increase their e-commerce sales, make their customers happier. We know that people like doing business with people that they know.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to make sponsored brand ads that don't just take up space on Amazon search results, but also convert. Let's roll. You know, it's not just about showing your product, it's about selling a story, your brand story, and delivering it in the form of an authentic message. We had a wonderful meeting with David Dayon. He helps a lot of Amazon sellers.
Maybe the most impactful video that you can set yourself up with is a PPC video, something that you can advertise, that you can make sure to put in front of millions of people.
When you're creating an Amazon video ad, you're not just aiming for clicks and conversions, you're aiming to connect, to resonate with your audience through a message that has a clear selling point. The key questions you should be asking here are: why is this product important for customers? How does this product add value to customers? What are the product's or my brand's unique differentiators? How do my brand values speak to my customers' needs? By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And please share in the comments below what gets you higher conversions. But tip number 2 is a dual powerhouse: defining your goals and knowing your audience inside and out.
When you're working with someone and making a video, it's very important to set the goals properly and know what you're looking for. Have a clear system and make sure that what you're looking for is what the team that you're working with can deliver to you. It works for every part of the Amazon business, but with videos, you can set up an idea and put together a storyboard of what it should look like. You can find the right face for your brand. You can find the right vibe and way that you're going to showcase your product, demographic that you're going to appeal to.
Make sure your video is focused on the most crucial information around the product and stays away from any distractions. Define what you want it to accomplish. If your overall campaign is focused on brand awareness, focus on building an emotional connection between customers and your product. If the objective is consideration or purchase, focus on key differentiators of your product and why customers should buy it. Research and understand your audience's interests and preferences and tailor your message offering features that are best for them. Your content needs to be educational, demonstrative, and product focused. Master the art of storytelling. Why? Because stories are the universal language. They're how we understand the world, how we connect with each other. And in the realm of sponsored brand ads, storytelling is your most powerful weapon. It's what transforms your ad from a simple sales pitch into an engaging and memorable experience. A good story doesn't just tell, it shows. Use visuals, music, and words to create a tapestry of emotion and information. Make your viewers not just see but feel, and you've got a story that sticks.
What better way to give yourself that extra visibility, and what better way to maximize that visibility than with an ad video? I don't know of any other way, and I definitely think it's extremely impactful.
There are several approaches to storytelling. Educational, which helps customers learn about your product by focusing on its unique selling position, not on specific product features. Customer benefit, which explains what the product benefits are and how they'll positively affect their lives. Brand differentiation, which shows customers why your brand and product are unique. Inspirational, which connects with customers by creating an inspirational or aspirational video. And by the way, videos that connect or resonate emotionally with shoppers help brands and products stand out even more. And beauty shots, which grab shoppers' attention by showcasing stunning shots of your product. We got invited to visit brand new Amazon headquarters that just opened here in New York. So let's see what's happening.
I've worked at Amazon for 6.5 years, but I've been an Amazon customer for much longer than that. When I'm shopping on .com, there are a couple things that I look for. Ideally, there's a video on the site so I can get a little bit more acquainted with either the product specifically or the brand as a whole. I also look at things like the A+ content. Sometimes there's video built into that content, and that gives me, again, more of a story about what the product is.
Be concise yet clear. In the world of Amazon ads, every second counts. You're not just competing for clicks, you're competing for attention. And in today's fast-paced digital landscape, attention is the most precious currency. Times Square is the capital of advertising where brands are fighting for your attention. This means your ads need to be like a well-crafted poem. Every word, every image, every sound must serve a purpose. Brevity is your friend, but so is clarity. Amazon recommends sponsored brand ads be between 15 and 30 seconds to make an impression on the shopper. And you should aim to keep your customers' attention through telling your product's story. It's crucial to show the product in the first 2 seconds of the video. Really, a product should be shown in action in your very first shot. This is your chance to make the best first impression possible.
I personally have seen hundreds of cases where you add a video to the product, you add a video to the store, and you add a video as an ad video, and it goes through the roof because you can control how many people actually see that.
Include the product function in the first 5 seconds of the video. Optimize for mobile view and make sure the product is not too small throughout the video. Focus on visual storytelling because most people watch ads on Amazon with the sound turned off. Put your brand and your call to action in the spotlight. This is crucial because at the end of the day, your ad is a bridge between your viewer and your product. That bridge needs to be strong, clear, and inviting. Your logo, your brand's visual signature should be present but not overbearing, and you can add it at the very beginning or an end of the video. It's a subtle reminder of who you are and a stamp of authenticity. And then there is call to action, the signpost at the end of the bridge guiding your viewer to the next step. A simple call to action in your sponsored brands video helps improve your ads performance by suggesting customers to take the next step. CTAs should be short, clear, and precise, like learn more, see more, or see details. Once the video ends, it will automatically loop. Consider adding an end card to allow for some breathing room, or get creative and make your loop seamless. Closed captions are a must-have. Your ad isn't just competing in a noisy market, it's also trying to reach viewers in a silent mode, scrolling through their feeds in offices, browsing while on a subway train, or in the quiet corner of a coffee shop. Sponsored brands video ads autoplay and launch on mute, with audio playing only if customer chooses to press the audio button. Closed captions aren't just an add-on, they're an access pass allowing your message to transcend the barriers of sound. But it's more than just words on a screen. It's about ensuring that your message, your story is received loud and clear by everyone, regardless of how or where they're watching. In the world of video ads, silence can speak volumes, and with well-crafted closed captions, your message will never be muted. To ensure text can be easily read on smaller screen devices, use Helvetica or similar sans serif font at a minimum size of 75 points or 80 pixels, displaying text in white on top of a black bounding box, set to about 80% opacity. Let's take your brand on a global tour by customizing content for different locales. The beauty of the Amazon Marketplace is its vast, diverse audience. Your ad isn't just speaking to one demographic, it's whispering to the world, but a whisper in one language might be a shout in another. This is where localization steps in. It's more than just translating words. It's about understanding cultures, respecting nuances, and embracing differences. It's about tailoring your story, your visuals, and your message to resonate with each unique audience. On Amazon, videos must be in primary language of locale in which ads are displayed. Subtitles in a local language are required if audio is in a different language. Important text within the video, such as product information and instructions, has to be in the local language. Choose your music and audio with purpose. The right soundtrack can elevate your ad from good to unforgettable. It's the heartbeat of your content, setting a tone, evoking emotions, and turning your narrative into an experience. But it's not just about choosing a catchy tune, it's about finding the rhythm of your brand, the melody of your message. Whether it's an upbeat tempo over summer sale or the gentle gentle hum of a heartfelt story. Your music and audio should be in perfect harmony with the story you're telling.
And it's high quality tea.
Big leaves, grown in warm winds, natural rain, soft sun from around the world.
That's tea day, yes.
Pick music that matches the tone of the ad and is a high-quality audio file. Low-quality audio that is distorted, fuzzy, or scratchy will make your ad seem less professional and won't be as appealing to customers. Don't use songs or sound effects that are too loud or too abrasive.
Nothing catches attention like moving pictures, some music that will get the shopper in that spending mood. It really makes a difference in the end of the day. It helps get that shopper and turn them into not just a one-time buyer, but a repeat customer.
Think mobile first and optimize content for consumption on mobile. In this age of swipes and scrolls, your ad isn't just competing for attention, it's battling against the distractions of a million other screens. What we're witnessing here is literally a battle for your attention. For a second of your time, so the brands can introduce a new product or service to you, or give you a reminder to get that refreshing drink to quench your thirst. This is where mobile optimizations becomes your secret weapon. It's about making sure that your visuals are crisp, your text is legible, and your message is clear, even on the smallest of screens. Some would argue that more customers are looking for products on their mobile devices than on their desktop or laptop screens. Keep this in mind when creating your sponsored brands video, especially when it comes to the size of your product, your logo, and the text on the screen. Frame your content for maximum impact. In the world of video ads, every pixel is a pixel of opportunity. It's about using the canvas of the screen to the maximum potential, whether it's avoiding the dreaded letter boxing or pillar boxing, or using dynamic framing to guide the viewer's eye. The way you frame your content can make or break your ad. For a better customer experience, don't letterbox or pillar box your videos. Use the 16:9 aspect ratio to its fullest potential with either Ultra HD or Full HD video formats. Make sure that the text, including closed captions, does not interfere with any restricted portions of safe area template that Amazon provides. And there you have it, guys, a roadmap to crafting high-converting Amazon-sponsored brand ads that don't just show up in search results but get clicks and conversions.
If you don't have a video on Amazon, what are you waiting for?
Let these 10 tips be a blueprint for the future video creatives. Thanks again for checking out this video. Smash the like button if you got value, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.